Hey Lily, how's it going?
Hey Robin. I'm doing okay. I'm just feeling a bit frustrated lately.
Oh no, what's going on?
Well, I've been trying to improve my English speaking skills, but it's been really difficult. I feel like I'm not making any progress.
I understand. Learning a new language can be challenging, but don't worry. I have a few tips that might help.
That would be great. What do you suggest?
First, try to practice speaking English every day. Even if it's just for a few minutes, you could try speaking with a friend or family member who also speaks English. Or even practice speaking to yourself.
That sounds like a good idea. What else?
Another tip is to watch TV shows or movies in English with subtitles. This will help you get used to the sound of the language and improve your comprehension.
Okay, I think I can do that. Do you have any other tips?
Yes, try to read books or articles in English as well. This will help you improve your vocabulary and grammar. Hey, Lisa.
Hi, David.
What do you want to know, Lisa?
I want to know how to speak English fluently.
The more you practice, the more fluent you become.
Then can we practice together?
Sure, let's begin. How are you feeling today?
I'm excited.
What are you excited about?
I'm excited about learning English with you.
Why do you want to learn English?
I just want to be good at it. That's all.
How long have you been learning English?
It's been 6 months.
Shaking. Shaking. Meaning side-to-side movement of something or vibrations.
She was so nervous that her hands were shaking during the presentation. The earthquake caused the ground to shake, making buildings sway.
Crucial. Crucial. Crucial means essential.
Good communication is crucial for a healthy relationship. The role of teamwork is crucial in completing this project successfully.
Arrogant. Arrogant. They believe that they are more important than others.
The arrogant student always acted like he knew more than the teacher. She is an arrogant person.
Numerous. Numerous. Meaning. Numerous means a large number or many of something.
There were numerous books on the shelf, making it difficult to choose just one. There are numerous flowers in the garden.
Cruel. Cruel. Meaning. Cruel means to be intentionally unkind, causing pain or suffering to others.
It's cruel to tease or make fun of someone who is already feeling down. Her cruel words hurt his feelings deeply.
Humble. Humble. Meaning. Being down to earth or not boastful.
Despite his wealth, he remained humble and continued to live a simple life. She taught her children the importance of being humble and kind.
Incidentally. Incidentally.
Incidentally, I heard that Tom is getting married next month. We were talking about movies, and incidentally, I watched a great one last night.
Carry. Carry. Meaning. Carry means to transport or move something from one place to another, typically by holding or supporting it.
She used a backpack to carry her books to school. Can you carry these groceries to the car for me?
Gossiping. Gossiping. Gossiping is when people talk about others, often sharing information that may not be true.
Mary and Jane were gossiping about their neighbour, making up stories about why he was always so quiet. The kids were gossiping about their classmate, spreading a rumour that he had cheated on a test.
Intellectual. Intellectual. Very educated and interested in studying and other activities that involve careful thinking and mental effort.
She was more intellectual than her husband, and much better read. John's intellectual curiosity leads him to study many subjects.
Lack. Not having enough of something of a particular quality, quantity, or item.
Her lack of sleep made her tired. The garden looks barren because of a lack of water.
Remain. Meaning. To stay in the same place or with the same person or group.
After all the cookies were eaten, only a few crumbs remained. She chose to remain calm and composed in a difficult situation.
Garbage. Garbage. Waste material refuse that is no longer wanted.
The city has a regular garbage collection schedule. Please take out the garbage before it starts to smell.
Guilt. Guilt. Because you have done something wrong.
She carried the guilt of not helping her neighbour during the storm. He couldn't sleep at night due to the guilt of lying to his friend.
Defend. Defend. Defend means to protect or support someone or something from harm.
He always stands up to defend his little brother from bullies. It's important to defend our rights and freedoms.
Vibes. Vibes. Creating positive emotion, thought, vibration.
The party had great vibes and everyone was having a good time. I'm getting positive vibes from this new project at work.
Seek. To seek means to look for, search, or try to find something or someone.
She will seek a new job after graduating from college. If you seek adventure, you should go on a road trip.
Approach. Approach. To speak to, write to, or visit someone in order to do something such as make a request or business agreement.
Their approach to problem solving is quite innovative. Liam has a different approach to the problem.
Paige, a lovely day, isn't it?
Hey Bill, long time no see.
Yes. How are you getting on?
Just so.
What is the matter with you? You look a little off color today.